Hi everyone. I have made a couple of changes to our schedule and I wanted to record a quick video to explain them. Remember that you can find our syllabus. I'll go to the course homepage. Anywhere from the course homepage you can click syllabus and you can get to the schedule. So what you're going to see if you scroll down here is that I've made a couple of changes right here. So today's the 28th. You are reading through page 125 in Beloved today, and there's a discussion and quiz that's been posted. What's going to change for Thursday and Monday is that I'm going to offer an optional live class. So I have a discussion board, and I've already written out the discussion board instructions for both of those class periods on the 3.5 and 3.6. If you come to the live class, it would be awesome if you could go ahead and at least do most of that discussion board beforehand. It would be great if you went ahead and posted it. I understand that some of us do our homework like kind of right before it's due, myself included. So you may not have a chance to fully finish that discussion board post before the class meeting at 5:30. Come anyway if you're interested in coming to class. It's not mandatory that you do the work before. It just will be helpful because that's what we're going to talk about together. So I'll be like, what did you write for that discussion? How can we, talk about that or use that to like launch into a conversation in person. So here's how you're going to get to these live classes if you want to attend them. On the course homepage, you can click Communication. There is a button that says Collaborate Ultra. It's not available yet because we're not to the correct time for the class, but if you want to join the class period on the 1st at 5:30, when you click this Collaborate Ultra tab, you'll be able to see a virtual classroom. Now, it will allow you to use your camera and your mic if you are interested in participating that way, which would be really helpful. But if you're not able to use a camera or if you don't have a mic that works well, you can use your phone. You should be able to use your phone first of all, but if the technology isn't working for you and you just want to pop in and listen, that's fine too. Participation is awesome, but really just observing is fine too if that's all that your technology allows. These meetings are optional, as I put on the syllabus. You don't have to attend them. You won't be counted off, but Beloved is such a hard novel that I wanted to give you some time to talk with each other and with me to kind of get our minds wrapped around what's going on in this really challenging book. So that's all I have for you right now. I'm going to release 3.5 and 3.6 when I post this video, so you can even work ahead if you want to, because that's kind of the material that you need for the next week or so. So that's all posted. Oh, one last thing, y'all. So I took away the quizzes for the next 2 class periods, and we're just going to have one more Beloved quiz that's going to go from where the last one ended off to the end. So just one more quiz on the 8th that covers from 125 to the end. I think it'll be about 20 questions because I'm combining some quizzes to do that. But I'll give you more information right before I post that. So all right, I think that's everything now. So this is going to go up. Discussions are going to go up. Hopefully I'll see you guys, some of you at least on Thursday and Monday, these next 2 class periods. But let me know if you have any other questions.